Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. This one is 26 Northgate in Simsbury, Connecticut, a part of the Squadron Line Elementary School District. This is one of my favorite properties. Look at this gorgeous family room here. Beautiful stone wood-burning fireplace back here. Tons of room to entertain, cozy up by this fireplace, enjoy movies, play games, you name it. Loads of light with these vaulted ceilings and recessed lighting. This house has so much to offer. In 2017, there was a brand new roof. The basement was completely remodeled, walkout, partially finished basement. It's got over 2,900 square feet throughout this entire home. Hardwood floors throughout. All the bathrooms have been remodeled. The master has an ensuite master bath. Kitchen features granite countertops and stainless appliances. Beautiful eat-in kitchen space. What I love is there's a 4-season sunroom off the back of the kitchen as well that also attaches to a composite deck. Nice private backyard too. Great living room that's got another wood-burning fireplace in that as well. And it's close to Northgate Falls. Tons of hiking, biking. There's fishing in the area. McLean Game Refuge, you name it, it's here. It's also got first floor laundry too, which is great. And this one won't last long. It's got tons of special features like extra woodwork throughout, nice tumbled marble backsplash, as you can see here in this beautiful country kitchen. I just love this one. The sun pours into this house. Look at this amazing sunroom back here. You're definitely not going to want to miss this one. Hitting the market in just a few days. These sellers say sell. Give us a call, 860-325-2484. This one also has central air. Unlike a lot of the competition, it won't last long. Better visit our website at starrealtygroup.com for more details. Or call us and we'll set up an appointment to set up your own private tour. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.